Hey Shopify owners, hope you are doing great. You can imagine that how many time taken by you adding a product descriptions and analyzing the inventory, analyzing the orders. And first of all, if you want a assistant or friend that give you a suggestion according to analyze your whole Shopify store and also give you assistance to make all of those stuff, adding products collections. So Claude makes your life easier, and Claude be your friend. Claude makes your life easier, so you can make a friendship Shopify with Claude, your Shopify store with Claude. So now you we make a friendship. So first of all, now we have connectors. We have two connectors. We have to add. In going to add connectors, browse connectors, and search Shopify, because now okay, in the Shopify the after the connect a Shopify store with a Claude, this is the function that Claude give you. You search products, get shop info, and this is the stuff means that it's almost. I have now connects again. Now it's connect my Shopify with Claude. So I want to connect this store with my Claude. Okay, now install. Okay guys, now connected to the Shopify, and so check that is it working. Is friendship done? So first question, how many orders I have in this month? So you have to allow and it, okay, you have one order in this month, so it's my test store, and okay, you can check that is it give me a good. Okay, now you can see that only one order in my Shopify store, and it gives me a great idea. Okay, now I want that I have to make collection from Claude, so give a okay, give a Claude one collection CSV. Okay, it's in my downloads, collection.csv, and okay, now check how is it work. Hope so. Okay, now first of all, we have to allow all the things that is able not to make collection on Shopify. Okay, so wait, because it takes time. Okay, you can see that all the 5 collections have been created successfully in the Shopify. And next step, the Claude assists you with what's the next step. Add a product to any of these collections, upload images, and create discount code. These are the things that Claude able to do with your Shopify. So first of all, we check that is our collection added or not. So in the products, we get in collections. Collection here. Also guys, you can see that these are all collections in there in my Shopify store. So check adding the products is the but I think you can understand that all the products can be added here with Claude. So we tested Claude in another way. So bro, what's bro, make me a dashboard to analyze my Shopify health, my Shopify store health. It's a crazy question, but I don't know why I did write this. But okay, check this. What's the response of Claude? Okay, got all data. Building your dashboard now. Okay guys, you can see that it makes a beautiful dashboard, and you can see that
and this is my all collections with 00 products. As you can see that I'm not added product yet, and this home page, one product, hydrogen, and it's all a test data and total orders in 1 month, revenue, collections, customers, and one fulfill the orders. Guys, you can see that now Claude's able to make these beautiful dashboards. And now guys, enjoy and connect your Shopify store and make crazy things with it. Thank you. Oh, first and in last, subscribe, like and share.